Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Great Today. Today's video we are going to answer a ARI Wallet Daily Quiz as I used to provide it daily. If this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's get it on testnet. Since we are on testnet, so let's claim our daily check-in, which is 30 ARI. So congratulations on being getting the 30 ARI. So let's go for a quiz here. So the quiz of the day: what is the core idea behind token economy? In centralized economic system, insensitive structures through token conflict separation from real world economy. So the answer is number 2, which is B, insensitive structures through token. So congratulations on being clicking the correct answer. So here it is. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.